I have an itch I am unable to scratch. I've been traveling for photography for years, and now, like everybody else, I'm stuck. But going through my photos and videos, it does help. And actually, I learn a lot by going through my old stuff, especially when I look at material from places I've been to many times, and without a doubt, I will visit again. I look for repetitive compositions and try to think about what I can do different next time around. How should I shoot this in maybe different condition, with a heavy sky, with rain, wind, snow? How can I show the elements? How can I tell a better story? How can I improve my photography, my creativity, technical skills, just everything? I play around with my photos. I crop them differently. I try to do something different in edit. I just try to grow. And maybe I make a list of things I want to try next time I'm out there. I decided to make this video where I show photos and video from one tour I did. So I basically randomly selected what you are seeing in this video. It's a tour along the South Coast of Iceland. It's a photography tour I have led countless times. It is what I call my bread and butter tour. By far the best-selling tour I have ever offered, and for a reason. With an endpoint around 500-600 kilometers from Reykjavik, there is simply an abundance of world-class photography spots that every landscape photographer needs to visit. By coincidence, I selected a tour I only shot with my drone. You see, in March 2019, I got a new drone, and this was my first trip using it, so there was a lot of experimenting. A lot of mistakes were done, but mistakes are good. I recommend you do a lot of them. That's how you learn. When I look at this video, I see a lot I would like to do differently, but that doesn't make what I did bad. It's just another piece of the puzzle. A puzzle I hope will never end, because as soon as I feel like I'm there, I have nothing more to learn. And then I will just start doing something else. Don't fall into the trap of only shooting and posting the money shot. Very often the money shot lack creativity, are very similar to other people's photos, and it slows your growth because you're always trying to shoot something you've seen before, not something the spot that you are on at that time is offering. Therefore, losing your opportunity to do something creative, something amazing. Because you are too busy being annoyed because of conditions. The conditions you have are not the same as the conditions on some photo you saw online and you're trying to imitate. It's a waste of time and energy, and this gets you nowhere. Just experiment, do something. Like here, I'm just experimenting, learning to use my new drone, not thinking I need to impress anyone.